Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about another special technique, that is chromatography. Chromatography is a process that is used to separate the colors of a mixture. So definition of chromatography is the process of separation of components of a mixture is known as chromatography. Chroma is a Greek word which means color. So the application of chromatography are to separate pigments from natural colors, to separate colors in a dye, to separate drugs from blood. So what is the process to do chromatography? Here in this diagram you can see this is paper chromatography. First you take a filter paper or blotting paper. Take approx 1 meter margin and in the center of that margin put a drop of ink. Then put this filter paper or blotting paper in the solvent. That is, you can see here liquid in nature. This is what? Solvent. The component which is more soluble in water rises faster and gets separated. In second diagram you can see there is mark of different color. So the color which is more soluble in water rises faster. So among yellow, magenta and blue, which is more soluble in water? Here that is blue is more soluble in water because it rises faster in water. Understood? So this is the whole process of chromatography. Next one is distillation. I already cleared you meaning of the term miscible liquids and immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids that are soluble in each other and immiscible that do not dissolve in between. Understood? So to separate a mixture of miscible liquid that can be dissolved in between by boiling the mixture and cooling and condensing the vapors. So distillation is basically used to separate miscible liquids. If I say acetone, acetone is what? Nail paint remover. Acetone and water are two miscible liquids and these miscible liquids separated by the process of distillation. But when we use this process, this process is used to separate miscible liquids, but what type of miscible liquids can be separated by this process? We can separate only those miscible liquids which have sufficient difference in their boiling point. You are familiar with the term boiling point, as Manisha ma'am discussed the term boiling point in chapter number 1. So in this diagram you can see this is iron stand in this threshold tube, or you can say distillation flask. What is the name of this? Distillation flask. You have taken a mixture of acetone, that is nail paint remover, and water. You are heating this mixture, and from this condenser tube, when you heat this mixture, then that is light in nature, it comes up, and this condenser condenses the vapor, and here it come. So in this is distillate. Distillate is what comes, what distilled out. We call this solution distillate. So here we get the acetone, and from this water outlet we get the water. So basically this is the whole process of distillation.